Okay, once we got the inner fender liner lower portion off, you'll be able to see the plug for the headlight, and then the two, there's one and there's two. Okay, so these are the two 8mm nuts that we had to remove, and the headlight slides straight out from the front. So this is actually what we're after here. This is the headlight module. Basically what's in charge of starting up the HID, switchback LED, you know, the whole 9 yards. So we're gonna get these Torx bits removed and get that out and show you what it looks like. Okay, two simple plug connectors here, big one and a little one, and you can see we've got it out. Nothing at the moment jumps out at me and says that this is bad, but this is where the guys said start. Definitely going to be the cheapest place to start and go from there. And here is the known good part from Supercar Garage. So we're going to do a big cross our fingers and pray this fixes it.